Hello and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nasra here from my YouTube channel, Nasra Taj Not So Perfect. Why not so perfect? Because I don't believe in perfection. I don't know if I can create any of these things in total perfection. And I think nobody should strive for it. So I'm going to dive into my video and let's see what I'm doing today. I irrigated these plants a couple of days back and look at these beautiful stems that are growing, and I'm sure they're going to become really long. So before they become like dangling, and I want to give them a support, I thought I'll do something to bring them in this position. How am I going to do that? Let's see. Here is another one as well. This is pretty strong. I'm not worried about it. So I have my tea ready with me. I'm going to be taking my tea because taking tea makes me active. So here we go. Here I have a hanger, and let's see what am I going to do. First of all, I'm going to remove all this plastic part from the hanger. Remove it. Remove the whole plastic part. Remove the whole plastic part. Somehow or another, you can make your own way of doing it. So it's not very difficult, and then we are going to use this hanger as an anchor for these pretty branches. So let me get back to you in a minute. In just about a minute. So I'm going to move this plant on this side so that I can work with it and you can see what I'm doing. Here is that hanger. First I'm going to here we go. We are going to straighten it out. God, this is a bit difficult, but I'm going to use something else for it now. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I think this much length is going to be enough for it. This is just trial and error. Let's see what happens. I'm going to cut it. Cut this part. Just bend it, and it's going to be pretty easy to cut it. You need some cutter for it. This tapped out. Now I'm going to remove the plastic part. See, it's so easy to remove the plastic part. Put that aside. Straighten this out a little more. Use pliers if you need. Now I don't have anything strong to wind it around. I have to just wind it around this something. Get yourself a strong rod. Now, what do we have? Pull it apart and straighten this part out. Look what I've got. See? Now insert it close to the press the soil so that it stands well and firm. Okay, I have. Now you can use anything to make the soil look better or stay in a better state. See, I have got this. Remove this plastic part. You know, I need to show the hard part as well, the difficult thing. It's not when you're working with something, it's not just everything very easy, but you just need to. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to wind this around and bring it to this side. Look, now you can see. I think it's looking pretty, isn't it? So I will do the same for this branch as well after a few days, so that it becomes more anchored in the soil. You can't just leave them dangling and going anywhere, everywhere. See, I think it's looking very beautiful. I can just turn it around once more. I think now it's looking much better. So I'll pour a little bit of water today because the soil is already quite wet. I'll put my stuff aside, and that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like my videos, give them a thumbs up, and look at them, they're pretty.